Morning everybody, I'm David for Open China, bringing you the best of China tech and innovation, past, present and future. This is the CBD, it's Monday morning, and I have about 10 minutes to get to my next destination, which is 2 kilometers that way. And there, a challenge awaits. And when it comes to getting around in a big city quickly, this is a secret weapon. Now if you want to ride one of these shared bikes in Beijing or any of the other cities around the world, the first thing you've got to do is pop out your front door and find one. Just like that. And once you've found it, you can scan the QR code on the back or on the handle post here and pay about 200 Kwai deposit and you're free to go. The bike's yours, rented, to look after for the duration of your use. And for every half an hour, it's about half a yuan, or I think that's like 3 cents for every half an hour. Bargain! So don't forget to park your bike in the designated areas as part of the scheme to make sure that the bikes are kept in a place that other people can find them and we don't have a crazy bike overflow all over the city. Another thing you must do is don't forget to lock your bike, otherwise someone's getting a free ride at your expense. So it's 8:30 in the morning and I'm here at this particular cafe, not just for my caffeine fix, but because behind you guys is a whole row of bikes and a subway station, and they're going to be used by commuting Beijingers. Perfect opportunity to find out exactly how people use the bikes, right? Let's go. 2, 4, 15, 17, 18 bikes. 18 bikes. Let's see what happens. That was my bike. 然后你每天骑多久？10分钟。10分钟啊？骑2次。骑2次啊？上班下班。
提前的话，得4到5次吧。
4、5次。
用到4到5次。
那它给你生活带来什么变化呢？
方便、及时、省时间。
省时间。然后你每天可以节约大概多长时间呢？
估计节约得2小时吧。
1个小时啊？2
小时。
2个小时啊？那你把那个2个小时怎么用的？
花在工作上面呗。
哇，好厉害！这个人 ，this guy takes 2 extra hours out of his day by using bikes. Puts it into work. 你好努力啊，是不是？好，辛苦你了。
好，没事，
你慢走。Rush hour is now over for another 8 hours, at least until everybody gets off of work and has to catch a bike to cover that last mile between workplace and home. And between now and then, there's going to be hundreds of trucks filling up each station with rows and rows of bikes of all sorts, just like these. But if you think I'm going to wait around here till 6 o'clock to see the bike teams come and fill them all up, you've got another thing coming. This is Eternal Peace Street, or Chang'anjie, and it's the main road which everyone always has and probably always will cross Beijing on. Now 40 years ago, when China was just opening its doors up to the world, bicycles were still not much more than a fashionable curiosity. All that was about to change. So all of these bikes are not just for locals, but actually tourists use them a lot when they come to Beijing to look at some of its more beautiful spots. And as you can see, judging by this, Nanaguxiang, Drum Street in Beijing, the attractions are all based on walking through alleyways, and all the alleyways are very narrow and twisty and full of amazing surprises and loaded with Beijing culture, but they're all very narrow, which makes it perfect for riding shared bikes. And even if you've got an account signed up in, say, I don't know, Australia, UK or America, or any of the other countries that these shared bike companies are emerging in, or another city in China, you can use that account in Beijing without having to switch over. Convenient, huh? Having seen everything that we've looked at together today, I'm sure it's obvious what's good about the shared bikes in terms of their flexibility, their accessibility, and the time and extra freedom that it brings to people's lives, not to mention the benefits to the environment. Those are all obvious. But I do want to wind up by saying something really important, I think is really important anyway, and that is that being a user in the shared economy is different to being a user in the consumer economy, which is that it's like cooking. If you haven't got time to clean, then don't cook. and you get this cheap, accessible, flexible opportunity to use something. You've also got responsibility to park your bike properly and also sign up any faults that you find with the bike online in the app. This is really a key part of being a user, and it's exciting to see how people, even just the past 6 months in Beijing, how people are taking care of the bikes and putting them back in the right places and dealing with the new challenges that come along with the shared economy. So that is my 2 cents. I'd love to hear what you guys have got to say. Feel free to subscribe for new videos. Don't forget to hit like, and of course, good, bad, whatever. Put the comments down there, let us know, and we can keep bringing you more and more insights into China. My name's David. I've been your host today for Open China. I'll look forward to seeing you next time.